Are you struggling to come up with the perfect idea for your nonfiction book? Whether you're trying to tell your story, share your expertise, or help others to solve a problem, this video will provide you with practical strategies to come up with ideas for your nonfiction book. Tip number 1 is to start with your expertise. So what do you know better than most people? Think about your job, your hobbies, and your unique experiences. Remember, most nonfiction book ideas come from things that we do every day. For example, if you're a teacher, you could write a book about managing a classroom. Or if you're a runner, could you write a guide for first-time runners? So here's your prompt. Make a list of 3 things that people often ask you for advice about. Tip number 2 is to solve a problem. So think about all of the challenges you've overcome in your life and the solutions that will benefit others. For example, maybe you've mastered budgeting. Could you create a personal finance guide for beginners? Or maybe you started a business and you could share your journey and tips for success. Write down 3 challenges and how you solve them. Tip number 3 is to share your story. Remember, nonfiction doesn't always have to be instructional. Sharing your story can inspire, educate, and connect with others. So for example, if you overcame a unique life challenge like overcoming a health issue or changing careers, those can be stories that you share with others. So ask yourself, what defining moments happened in your life and what lessons did you learn from it? Tip number 4 is to combine passion with research. So what topics are you most excited about? What are you most curious about? Even if you're not an expert, you can write nonfiction books based on research. So for example, if you love history, you could write about a lesser known historical fact. Or if you're into fitness, you could write about the latest trends and your findings. Ask yourself, what would I love spending hours learning about, even if I weren't getting paid? So now it's time to test your ideas. Once you have a few potential ideas, reach out to your family, friends, and even social media. You can create a poll where you have your best ideas and ask people their feedback on it. Once you have a tried and true answer, then you can begin the process for writing your book. Now remember, your book ideas should align with your goals. So whether your goal is to grow your target audience, establish your authority, or help others, when you're presenting these ideas to your audience or potential audience, make sure you keep that in mind. The best book ideas are already inside of you. They simply need to be uncovered and developed. If you like these types of videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for additional writing, publishing, and marketing tips.